Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use macro in LibreOffice Calc. Now I have some data right here that I copied, and say for example you want to use macro to automate like repetitive tasks. I'm going to show you how to do that. So here for example what I'm going to do is basically head over to tools, options, and we're going to try to look for this one right here, enable macro recording. I'm going to hit apply, hit OK, go back to tools, and then macros. We're going to go ahead and record macros. So it's recording right now. What I'm going to do is just try to make some formatting changes here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and change the alignment here, and then I can go ahead and add, say for example, filters. So I'm going to go ahead and try to add filter here, auto filter, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and summarize, or no, not summarize, but basically sum the total here. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and write here total sales. There you go. Maybe make some changes, make this bold right here, and then the number, I'm gonna go ahead and add some color in here. Let's go ahead and highlight this one, or you can change the color. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and change this to green, this one as well. There you go. All right, now say for example that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and click stop recording right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this macro sample, or sample macro rather, and then click the save button. Oops, it seems like I can't add space. Let's see. All right, there you go. All right. Now, say for example, that's done. What I'm going to do is basically try to copy the same thing and put this here, or undo everything that I have done so far. So I'm going to do that real quick. All right, there you go. So now it's back to how it used to be. Let's try running the macro. So I'm going to head over to tools, macros, run macro, and then let's go over to this one, and then here, sample macro. I'm going to click run. All right, click yes. There you go. So it seems like the only thing that was not done is the total, or the formula. So it seems like this is still a work in progress. So yeah, but basically everything else has been applied. So you can see that alignment has changed here. Alignment here has changed as well. But yeah, only the formula was not done. Color-wise and everything else is okay. So yeah, that should be good enough. So yeah, again, everybody, that is how you're going to run macro in LibreOffice Calc.